welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah. This is Hannah in Her Habitat. It is almost Valentine's Day and I love any excuse to kind of change things up a little bit here in the camper. So I'm going to be decorating for Valentine's Day. As always, it is going to be pretty minimal, but hopefully I can make it a little more cute and colorful in here. So come along. I tried to use my Cricut to make a few things. This is just a pillowcase off one of the pillows and I'm gonna put it on my my Christmas pillow and make it Valentine's Day appropriate. Use what you have, that's my motto. Although I did buy a couple things, so I cannot tell a lie. I used my Cricut to make this banner and I will show you that process here. It is pretty simple once you get the hang of it. The hardest thing for me is working within the Cricut design space and finding the right templates to get exactly what I want. But overall, it's pretty fun. These little hearts were also from the Cricut. They were actually from some cards that I made. These were the punch outs that I was going to throw away, then thought they could be used as decoration. My letterboard is probably my favorite decoration piece because you can do so much with it and you can always change it up. I also made this palm felt banner, also super easy to do. All you need is string, a needle, and the felt pom-poms found at any craft store. And that is all. Incredibly simple, but it changed it up a little bit, so I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching another episode of Hannah in Her Habitat. I will see you next week.